Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make burger bun. We'll see what are the ingredients need. 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, taste salt, that means 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 adding water. First of all, we'll take lukewarm water and add to this yeast and sugar, and mix it well and keep to active for 10 minutes. Close and keep to stir the dissolve. When till to dissolve the sugar, you must stir it well. Then only better consistency comes. You can add a little water. Now close it and wait for 10 minutes. Till to activate the yeast. Here my activated yeast will start to make the burger. For the flour, we'll add the yeast, make a well light and add that. Here nicely activated. Then only the bun will be soft. If we are adding, when we add proper ingredients only, the bun will be soft. And 2 tablespoons of butter. One beaten egg. Beat the egg and if we beating the egg and adding to the dough burger bun dough and it will be very soft. It will be very soft. One and a half teaspoon of salt only we need to 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Now we'll knead this with all the ingredients. You must use lukewarm water and 50 ml of fresh milk I am adding. Here's my 50 ml of fresh milk I am adding to the burger bun dough. Always use lukewarm water to make the bun, burger bun. Any buns when we are using with the yeast, always used to take lukewarm water. put this one into a marble top and knead it well for 15 minutes. Like this, you knead the dough for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Nicely knead the dough. It's little bit hard work, but if you knead properly, only the bun will be soft and fluffy. When you are kneading like this, you can feel the softness of the bun dough. Like this 10 or 15 minutes, you knead it well. After that, oil the ball and place this dough into the ball and apply little oil to the top of the dough. And wet a towel and close it well. Close from a wet towel and keep it in a hot place, warm place for half an hour into 45 minutes till to rise this dough. Here's my well raised burger bun dough. From this we'll make small balls and we'll make 10 burgers from this. If you want big burgers from this, make 8. I am making 10 from this. And do like this. Take all together like this. Do. Hold properly here. Hold properly. Do like this from 2 fingers. Till to 2. Do like this and keep in the baking tray. and cover and keep. Take all downwards. And make like this. Do like this. And keep up on the marble top and do from 2 fingers. Cover and keep this one also without drying. If this one dried, the dough will not, bun will not come properly. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 200 degrees. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 200 degrees. See my burgers are double in size. Now we'll apply egg. We'll egg wash it and spread little sesame seeds and we'll keep into bake. We'll put to the oven. Spread little sesame seeds and keep in the oven for 15 into 20 minutes. Okay. Keep in the oven for 15 into 20 minutes in 200 degrees. We'll bake this burger buns for 15 into 20 minutes in 200 degrees. Here's my well-baked burger buns. We'll keep to cool and we'll dress and seal. We'll put the dressing after cooling. For the egg burger, we need to make an omelette. For small size of 1 onion, we are making 2 egg burgers. 1 egg, little chop or cut and take 1 or 2 green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, for the taste pepper, quarter teaspoon of pepper now. We are adding the green chili also. And add the egg. And mix it well. If you don't like this much onion, you take little onion and use 1 egg. Keep up the pan and add little oil and heat the pan. Now add this mixture. Here I add 2 eggs for this egg omelette, because 1 egg I mix with the onion, other one is I pour up on the onions. Then only it's becoming nice and thick. Now we'll take off from the pan. We'll cut the buns and keep on a pan and little toast it and take. Both sides little toast it and take. See, my bun is very fluffy and soft. Both buns same. We'll apply little butter and roast it and take. Apply little butter and roast it and take. I roast the bun. Now we'll press. I just keep a lettuce. Onion no need for the bun. We'll add little mayonnaise and sauce. We'll add first sauce. And keep the egg. Cut into triangle shape and keep. When you are making lot of, you can cut this one into triangle shape. Now I made 2 only, that's why I cut it into half. Now we'll add. I will close. This is the final look of my burger. You also make and taste and see. It's very delicious, and homemade things are always healthy and good. Thank you for watching.